Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Butterfree. Today, we're diving into a skill that's absolutely crucial for students, professionals, and lifelong learners, the art of effective note-taking. Whether you're in a lecture, a meeting, or reading a book, taking notes can significantly boost your understanding and retention of information. So let's uncover the secrets to making notes that really work. Before we jump into the how, let's discuss the why. Effective note-taking is more than scribbling down words. It's about capturing key concepts, organizing information, and making it your own. Well-structured notes are your personal roadmap to understanding complex subjects and recalling details when you need them most. It all begins before you even put pen to paper. First, familiarize yourself with the topic preview, any materials or readings, and come armed with questions to guide your note-taking. This way, you'll be actively seeking answers as you listen or read. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to note-taking, so find what works best for you. Bullet points, outlines, mind maps, and Cornell notes are just a few options. For instance, the Cornell method involves dividing your page into sections for cues, main points, and summaries. Let's see it in action. Here's a golden rule. Don't write down everything. Engage in active listening and jot down only the most crucial points, keywords, and phrases. This keeps you focused and prevents the paralysis of information overload. The way you organize your notes can make all the difference. Use headings, subheadings, and indentations to create a clear hierarchy. Group related ideas together and leave enough space for later additions or annotations. Sometimes words alone won't do the trick. Visual aids like diagrams, flowcharts, and graphs can help you grasp complex concepts quickly. Let's take a look at how a flowchart can simplify the process of photosynthesis. Your notes are uniquely yours. Feel free to use abbreviations, symbols, and personal shorthand as long as you understand them. For example, W/ for with or govt for government. Just be consistent so your notes remain understandable. The journey doesn't end with note-taking. Regularly revisit and revise your notes. This act alone reinforces your memory and understanding. Plus, it's a great way to refresh your memory before exams or important meetings. With technology at our fingertips, many opt for digital note-taking. Tools like tablets and note-taking apps offer convenience, searchability, and the ability to sync across devices. However, studies suggest that physically writing notes can enhance comprehension and retention. As you wrap up your note-taking, challenge yourself to summarize what you've learned in your own words. This forces you to process the information and synthesize the main points. Remember, notes are a tool, not a transcript. Note-taking isn't always a solitary endeavor. Collaborative projects and study groups can benefit from shared notes. Online platforms and apps allow you to collaborate in real time, making it easier to pool insights and knowledge. Color coding and highlighting are powerful tools to emphasize important information and create visual cues. Assign specific colors to different categories, themes, or levels of importance. This technique makes your notes more engaging and easier to review. Sometimes, the pace of information can be overwhelming. Consider recording audio or video notes alongside your written notes. This allows you to capture nuances, tone, and details that might get lost in text alone. Effective note-taking can be challenging at times. Missed a point? Misunderstood something? It's okay. Add question marks, highlight areas that need clarification, and don't be afraid to reach out to peers or instructors for help. We all have unique learning styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, etc. Adapt your note-taking techniques to match your learning style. If you're a visual learner, incorporate diagrams and images. For auditory learners, focus on summarizing ideas in your own words. Just as learning is a journey, so is note-taking. Be open to experimenting with new methods and adjusting your approach based on what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to enhance your understanding and retention. Yes, it's a thing. Over-enthusiastic note-taking can distract you from active listening or reading. Strike a balance. Focus on absorbing information while taking concise, relevant notes that capture the essence of what you're learning. Effective note-taking is a skill that improves over time. Celebrate your progress. Compare your notes from months ago to your current ones. You'll likely notice increased clarity, better organization, and enhanced overall understanding. There you have it, the art of effective note-taking demystified. Whether you're in a classroom, a boardroom, or just diving into a new book, these strategies will help you capture and retain information more efficiently. So, grab your notebooks, your tablets, or whatever works best for you, and start taking notes like a pro.